I've done it so often.
Just in front, eh?
Yeah, it'd be perfect, yeah. That's really kind of you, thank you. Cheers, mate. Okay, ramp demo, as you can see, she goes up and she's on her way down. This particular three-phase ramp has had new belts in the last year, and it's also had a new motor. Prior to us having it, it did actually have new cogs and a chain, and it came from a ramp servicing company who replaced it with a new one at a garage and took the old one and then serviced it, and we bought it from them. So this is a Hoffman Europa 2. Great news is that you can get spare parts for it, and despite the fact that it's an older ramp, 2.5 ton, it's always served us very well. We're just actually upgrading and buying a this is a ramp, so hopefully you can see that working okay. I'm just going to finish up by showing you the plate on it. There's your switch gear there, you're up and down, and it's called a Labrador. So that's the information on the ramp itself. All right, thank you.